Very good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss some calculation tricks, that is Vedic math, and this is the part 1 of calculation tricks, and in which we learned how to find out the squares of any number, say 2-digit or 3-digit number, in within 5 to 6 seconds, or say 7 to 8 seconds for the number which are of 3 digits. Now let's start. Now student, we will find squares. For this we are going to discuss, first we have to learn squares from 1 to 30. All of you have to learn 1 to 30 squares, and then we will discuss the squares of the numbers whose unit digit is 5, means the number which is a multiple of 5, तो उनका जो स्क्वायर है वो कैसे फाइंड किया जाता है. देन आवर टॉपिक विल बी द स्क्वायर्स, टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर्स whose base is 100, means the number which are nearby to 100, like 75 to 125. We will cover 75 to 125, the numbers lying between 75 to 125 in base 100. Then we will discuss base 50, means the number lying near the 50. In this we will discuss 30 to 75, the number lying between 30 to 75. Then we will discuss base 200, means the number lying between nearby 200, and then miscellaneous. Let's start. You have to memorize this squares of 1 to 30 numbers. Let's start. देखिए स्टूडेंट, अगर आप किसी चीज को बोलते हो, देखते हो और सुनते हो तो वो ज्यादा जल्दी याद हो जाती है. सो आप कोशिश करो कि इसके साथ साथ आप इसको बोलो भी और सुनो भी और देखो भी. लेट्स स्टार्ट. 1 1. I am not going to tell you the square. I am just direct tell you that the square of 1 is 1, that is 2 2s are 4, 3 9, 4 square 16, 5 25, 6 36, 7 49, 8 64, 9 81, 10 100, 11 121, 12 144, 13 169, 14 196, 15 225, 16 256, 17 289, 18 324, 19 361, 20 400, 21 441, 22 484, 23 529, 24 576, 25 625, 26 676, 27 729, 28 784, 29 841, 30 900. स्टूडेंट, आप इसे 5 to 6 डेज डेली प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो ये अपने आप आपको याद हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, अब हम बात करते हैं यूनिट डिजिट 5. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द स्क्वायर of the number whose unit digit is 5, say 25. Now you all know that the square of 25 is 625, but the trick is find the number except this 5. Here we have 2. Now the next digit, the next number of 2 is 3. Multiply both the number, means 2 into 3, that is 6, and the square of 5 is 25, and place 25 at the end, means this will become 625. 2 into 3 6, then 5 square 25, 25 is placed here, and in starting we will place 2 into 3 6. Now 45. You know that the answer will be 5 5s are 25 and 4. The next digit for of 4 is 5. So 4 into 5 20. So 20 25. 2025 is the square of 45. Now 75. Now 75, in 75 5s are 25 and 7 into 8. 7 into 8 because 8 is the next digit of 7. So 7 into 8. The next number of 7 is 8. So 7 into 8 56, 56 25. That is the square of 75. Now 125. Simply take these two digits, that is 12, and the next number to 12 is 13, and if we multiply 12 into 13 then we will get 156. Now the square will be 156 25. Easy, student. Now make a quick revision of this. 15, 1 into 2 225. 25, 2 into 3 6 625. 35, 3 into 4 12 25. 4 into 5 20 25. 55, 5 into 6 30 30 35 25. 65, 6 into 7 42 into 42 25. 7 into 75, 7 into 8 56, that is 56 25. 85, 8 into 9 72, 72 25. 95, 9 into 10 90, 90 25. 105, 10 into 11 110, that is 110 25. Similarly 11 into 12 132. 12 into 13 156. 13 into 14 182. So how easily you can find the squares of the number whose unit digit is 5. Student, keep practicing it so that you can masters in this, because practice makes a man perfect, you know that. So if you practice this then you will master in this, because 1 to 1000 अगर आप स्क्वायर फाइंड करना चाहते हैं तो आप वैदिक मैथ की इस कैलकुलेशन ट्रिक से इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज बेस 100, because this is very important, student. This is very important because base 100, if you understand the base 100 then only you can understand base 50 and base 200. First of all we have to find square of 98. Then you know that this is nearby of 100 and find how much less this is from 100. If this is greater, then how much is this greater, or if this is less than 100, then find the difference between 100 and the number. Now here the difference is 2. Take the square of this number, this difference. This will become 4. Now for base 100 we will use 2 digits. So 04. Now subtract this number from this number, that is 98. 98 minus 2, that is 96. So the number will be, the square of 98 will be 96, and at the end you will place 04. 9604. First of all find the difference between 100 and that number, that is 2, and find the square of this and make 2 digit. Here we will make 04. Now subtract this number, this different number, the number which is difference between these two, and subtract this from 98. This will become 96. Now place 04 at the end of this 96. Now student, this was less than 100. Now in case of greater than 100, we will just reverse the sign. For example, the difference will be 3. Take the square of 3, that is 09. Now instead of subtraction, we will add this number into 103. In this question, in the 98, the square of 98, we have subtracted, but now we will add. Now this will become 106. So the square of 103 is 10609. बहुत इजी है स्टूडेंट. अब हम बात करते हैं 88. मीन्स अगर ये नंबर जो है, अगर स्क्वायर जो फाइंड करते हैं वो प्रॉपर 2 डिजिट नहीं है, 3 डिजिट का आ जाता है, तो कैसे करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द डिफरेंस, दैट इज 12 हियर. नाउ द स्क्वायर ऑफ 12 इज 144. टेक दिस only this 2 digit and this one will go in carry. Now 88 minus 12, this will become 76, and the carry of this one will become make this 77. So the square will be 7744. Just take these 2 digits. If there is 1 digit, then place 0, or if there are more than 2 digits, then take this in carry. Now 111. This is 11 greater than 100, so square of 11 is 121. Take these 2 digit and one will go in, one will be in carry. Now add 100. We'll add 11 in 111. This will become 122, and one carry will make this 123, and the answer will be 123 to 1. And the special case, this is the special case when there are 1 1 1, say double 1. 11 square is 121. This will be discussed at the end of this video. Now 71. This is 5041. You can find this easily. You can use this is in the according to the base 50. This number we will discuss according to the according to the base 50, and greater than 75 we will discuss in base 100. For example, here 90. This is 10 less than base 100. So 10 square means 100. Means take 2 digit 00. Now subtract 10 from 90. This will become 80, and 1 carry will add. Then this will become 81. Now 89. This is 11. The difference will be 11, and we will take the square. This will become 121. Take 21. Now on subtracting 11 from 89, this will become 78. Now add 1. 78 plus 1, 79. So the answer is 7921. You can simply solve these type of squares whose base is 100, means the number which are lying nearby 100. Now this is for number greater than 100, and we will discuss only up to here, because this can be solved. You can also discuss this is in base 100, but this is easy in base 150. But if you want to, if you remember the square of 1 to 30, then this is easy from base 100. For example, 116. Now you know square of 16 is 256. Now 56 and 2 in carry. Now 16 plus 116 plus 16, that is 132, and 2 in carry, that is 134. So 134 into 135 Now we will discuss base 50. This is again very important. In base 50, 47. You know that this is a line nearby 50, so take 47 base 50. Base 50 means, now check the difference. First of all, check the difference. Here the difference is 3, so put square. 3 square is 09. Now the same thing, we will do the same thing, that is subtract this 47, subtract 3 from 47, this will become 44. Now in base 100 we use this 44 as it is, but according to base 50 this is the half of 100. The relation between base 100 and base 50 is this is the half, so take half of this number. If we take half, this will become 22 and the number, the square will be 2209. Student, this is general method, but if you want to make this more fast, then you can use here subtract 3 from 25. Subtract this number 3 from 25 because the half of 50 is 25. Subtract 3 from 25, this will become 22 and you can skip these two steps. Now base 50, square of 53. This is 3 more than 50. Square of 3 will be 09 and 25 plus 3 will be 28 and the answer will be 2809. You can do this orally in your mind without copy pen. You can find the square of square from 1 to 125 now easily. For example, this is 41. Now this is 9 less, so square of 9 will be 81 and subtract 9 from 25, you will get 16. So this is 1681. Similarly for 42, this is 8 is a 64 and 25 minus 8, that is 17. For 57, this is 7 greater than 50, 7 square is 49 and add 7 in 25, we will get 32. So 3249 is square of 57. Now base 100. Similarly in base 50 हमने क्या किया था कि उसका हाफ किया था, तो जो यहाँ पे रिलेशन है बेस 200 का वो है डबल का, तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे डबल कर देंगे. नाउ वी विल डबल. फॉर एग्जांपल 193, दिस इज 7 लेस देन 200, so take the square of 7, that is 49. Subtract this 7 from 193, this will become 186 and now as per relation we will take double of 186. This will become 372 and the square will be 37249. For 205, you know that according to our unit digit 5 rule, this will be 20 into 21 and at the end we will place 25, but we want to solve this by using the method of base 200. First take the square of 5, that is 25. Now this is more, so add 5 in 205, this will become 210. Now as per the rule, takes double of 210, that is 420, so the answer will be 42025. Now the miscellaneous, our first number is 154. This is nearby the base 150. 150 for 150 and difference between 154 and 150 is 4. So take the square, that is 16. Now as per situation we will add this, this will become 158. Now take 1.5 times, because the relation between 100 and 150 is that 150 is 1.5 times the 100. So multiply 158 with 1.5. Now आपको इसको सॉल्व नहीं करना, आप क्या करोगे, 1.5 को कैसे सॉल्व किया जाता है, 158 as it is. Now half of 50 means 150 half is 75 and 8 half is 4. Now add, this will become 237. So the square will be 237146. Now this is 998. This is nearby 1000. So we will take the base 1000. First of all, check the difference. This is, here the difference is 2, so take the square, that is 04. Here the base is 1000, so we can take this n in 3 digit, that will 004, or by using 2 digit, the answer will also same. Now 998 minus 2, this will become 996. Now you know that the relation between base 100 and base 1000 is, this is 10 times. So if we multiply this 996 with 10, this will become 9960. But if you are using this 3 digit, then you have no need to multiply this, because this is also a standard. 1000 is also a standard. Now just place the digit, this will become 996004. Now the last is 11 square. स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे एक पैटर्न फॉलो होता है, अगर यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट है, इफ देयर आर 2 डिजिट देन यूज 1 2, नाउ फिर नाउ अगेन 1. फॉर 3 डिजिट्स से 111, 1 2 3 2 1. फॉर 4 डिजिट दिस विल बिकम 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. For 5 digit, this will become 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Okay student, thank you and have a nice day, or keep practicing it.